How to save chats on Snapchat for 24 hours. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save chats on Snapchat for 24 hours so your messages stay visible for longer than the default time. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the chat icon shown in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the chat section, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on the chat where you want to save the message in. And now here, once you are inside that chat, what you can do is just tap on the friend's profile icon at the top. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, what you can do is just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here in this section, what you can do is just tap on chat and notification settings. And now here in this section, simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as keep snaps in chat. So here you can simply toggle on this option as well. And with that, there you'll see the option labeled as delete chats. So simply tap on it, and here once you do that, here on the next pop-up you'll see three options. So here there you can see after viewing, 24 hours after viewing, and 7 days after viewing. So here, if you want to save chats on Snapchat for 24 hours, just select 24 hours after viewing option, and after that, now all the messages in this chat will remain visible for 24 hours after being read. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.